In this video, you'll learn how to replace your resume in Indeed using the home dashboard so you can keep your job applications up to date with your latest experience and skills. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly, so even if you're not very tech savvy, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. Let's start from the moment you're already logged into your Indeed account and you're on the home dashboard. This is the main page you usually see after signing in, where you might find job recommendations, recent searches, and some shortcuts related to your profile. From this home dashboard, the first thing you want to do is get to the resume section. To do that, look toward the top right or top area of the page for your account menu. This is usually where your profile picture or an icon appears, sometimes with your first name or the word account. Click on that account area and a menu should drop down. In that menu, you'll see an option related to your profile. It may be labeled simply as profile or something similar. Go ahead and click that. This will open your main profile page where Indeed keeps your personal information, your work history, and your resume details. On the profile page, look for the section labeled resume or my resume. This is the area where your current resume file is stored and where you can manage or update it. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place by glancing at the existing document name or any information that shows your current resume. Now you're ready to upload your new resume file. Look for a button or link that says something like Upload Resume, Change Resume, or Replace File. When you click this, your computer's file browser or file picker will open. Navigate to the location on your computer where your new resume is saved. This might be in your Documents folder, your desktop, or a specific folder you use for job applications. It's a good idea to use a clear file name, such as resume followed by the current year, so you can easily find it. Select the correct resume file, then click Open or Choose, depending on your device. Once you've selected your file, Indeed will begin uploading it. This usually only takes a few seconds. During this step, the platform may show a preview or a short message indicating that you're about to replace your existing resume. Before you finalize anything, confirm that you truly want to replace the current resume with the new one. Indeed may prompt you with a confirmation message asking you to verify that you understand the old resume will be overwritten. Read that message carefully, then click the button to confirm the replacement. After you confirm, the new resume becomes your active resume on Indeed. This means that when you apply to jobs directly through Indeed, this new file is what employers will receive. Take one last moment to double check that the file name and, if visible, the preview match the correct version of your resume. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your resume in Indeed using the home dashboard, making sure your profile reflects your most current and polished information for potential employers.